I'm going to show you how to make a revolving door in Radiant. So you just want to drag out a box that's square. So mine's 144 by 144. You can make it however big you want. And then you just want to go patch primitives and make it a bevel. Now you just want to assure that this bevel is square. So I decided to draw it back to 72, and then I just copy and pasted it till it made a perfect circle. From here, you just want to copy and paste an individual bevel and press V on the keyboard, and dragging over the 2D view, you can grab the individual vertices. And then in the preview, you just want to drag the vertice till it lines up with your perfect circle. What we're basically doing is copy and pasting the bevel and making it smaller and lining it up with the perfect circle. Making it smaller is just gonna give us a little hole in the circle. So obviously we're making a revolving door, so we want a door in the revolving circle. So to make the door, we just want to make these bevels smaller, and then we delete the larger circle, and that will give us a door. Hopefully that makes sense. It probably doesn't. Now we can select our small bevels and press Ctrl-Shift-T, and that will thicken the bevel. I just make it a default value of 8. And now you just want to copy and paste the same on the other side. Well, not copy and paste, but take your time to make it right. And I like to put in a player model just to make sure it's the right height and size. Now I'm just going to drag over another box that's square, so 144 by 144. And then I'm just going to go patch primitives and cylinder, make it a cylinder. And now I'm just going to drag this cylinder larger so it matches the outside of the glass on a 2D view. And I'm going to thicken it by 8, Ctrl-Shift-T. And now we got the top of our revolving door. From here, I like to give the revolving door a tile texture, just a ceramic tile texture. And now I'm just selecting every single face of the glass, and then right click and make it a script brush model. If you don't have that in your right click destination, you can press B on the keyboard and search in the entity browser for a script brush model. Keep everything selected and right click again and go entity, add selected brushes. This is going to combine all the brushes as one brush. And so when we're calling in the script for the brushes to rotate, it's going to rotate as one unit. It's not going to rotate individually and look like a mess. To make sure you've done this right, deselect all the brushes and select one brush and give it a random target name like test, and then select a different brush and make sure that that target name is updated. If it updates with whatever you gave your last brush, then you know you've done it right. All the brushes are grouped together. Now to just make it look neat, I'm going to grab the top of this circle and go patch and cap. Oops, not thicken. Patch and cap. And that's just going to fill in the hole. Then I'm just going to copy and paste the cap and make it down to the ground level. And I'm just going to raise it up a little bit. And that's just going to make it look nice in my opinion. Now I'm just going to drag out a brush right in the middle. And I'm going to go patch, primitives, make it a cylinder. This is going to be the middle point of the revolving door. And just go script brush model like you did with the other brushes and give it a target name of whatever you want. And this is my code. So function rotating door equals get entity array. So this is the glass. And then rotate door is going to be the middle point. That's what I call the middle point. And I'm going to play a loop sound on the middle point. And then while one, so it's going to loop. For each door in rotating door, it's going to rotate 360 degrees and it's going to take 8 seconds. And the middle point, so it's going to rotate 360. It's going to do it in 8 seconds. And then I said wait 8 seconds so it can actually give it time to rotate. And then after that, it threads back up to the while loop. And it just keeps looping infinitely. So that's how I did that. It's very easy to do. I'll probably put something in the description if you want to copy and paste this code, obviously, but I thought I might as well mention it. You want to make sure you actually thread this function underneath ZM user map main or wherever you want. And that's how I got rotating doors in Radiant, Black Ops 3 Zombies. If you did like the video, remember to smash like. I don't really make these videos very often, so if you do actually appreciate this type of content, make sure you actually support it. Otherwise, I'm probably just not going to bother making much more videos like this. But it's very easy to do. It's very simple. Not many map creators have this feature. Well, I haven't seen any map creators make a rotating door. So yeah, it's just something unique that no one else has covered. So if you like that, smash like, and I might keep going. I might not. Probably won't. But if you show enough support, I'll keep going. All right. Thank you. See you next time. Peace.